how to solder this monolithic driver to the board properly so you don't burn the monolithic driver and you don't damage the board. So first of all, let's have a look under the microscope and see what do we need to solder. Okay, so we need to solder the monolithic driver, not here. You see these parts are from the factory like this here. Okay, so what I like to do first, I like to heat up a little bit the board. Okay, when the board is a little bit hot, you can put a little bit of solder paste or flux, and now because the board is hot, it will stick better to the board. Now next you want to thin a little bit the parts. Make sure this solder flows properly. These parts are probably oxidated, depends on when did you remove the chip. If you just remove the chip now, you might as well just skip this step. Okay, now next step is you have to make sure how to solder the chip. You see the chip has a little dot in here, which is pin number 1, and the board also has a pin number 1. If you don't have these marks on the board, what you do, you look at the back of the chip and you see you have two pads in here, one next to each other, which are this one, and the long one, which are all together in here. So obviously this goes like this. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to start heating the board. Okay, and when we see the solder getting nice and shiny, it means we can come with the chip. Okay, this way we're heating the parts, but we don't thermostress the chip. Okay, and now you put the chip, and it only takes a couple of seconds, and that's it. The chip is nice and soldered. You didn't thermostress the chip, and that's it. The last step would be to clean a little bit the area. Okay, if it's an area like this where components, you see, you can't quite get the to clean in here. Okay, what you do, you come with a brush, because the brush will go all over. Okay, you want to go gently because some of these components are really tiny. Okay, any bit of force will remove them. And you see this chip is properly soldered, you see, it's properly aligned, and we haven't stressed the chip at all. So this is how you solder the chip.